At LPU School of Fashion Design, creativity is worn proudly, and every stitch tells a story. Design studios, pattern labs, and textile workshops create an ecosystem for fashion innovation. EduRevolution empowers students to showcase collections in real fashion shows, judged by industry legends. Here, 50% of learning happens through real-world projects. 50% takes place beyond the classroom, in studios, fashion labs, and live showcases. And 50% of your grades, earned through creativity in practice, not just written exams. From fabric theory to fashion forecasting, students master both the art and science of design. Projects focus on sustainable fashion, tech-infused wearables, and culturally rich collections. Industry internships with leading designers and fashion houses prepare students for high-stakes careers. Participation in national fashion weeks, exhibitions, and styling contests builds strong portfolios. Alumni now work with top designers, apparel brands, and costume teams in the film industry. Top packages reach 18 LPA, with international placements on the rise. Recruiters include H&M, Raymond, Lifestyle, Myntra, and fashion studios across India. At LPU School of Fashion Design and Technology, we don't chase trends, we create them. Step in and start shaping the future of fashion.